Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. In this series, teaching aptitude paper 1 solved for Pune University. This will be the last video. If you want me to solve any of the question from the question paper, you can comment it down. I'll solve it personally in the comment itself. So this will be the last video. To begin with, the dash 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 is mainly responsible for depletion of ozone in stratosphere. So friend, it is nothing but chlorofluorocarbon. It is very well known fact. So correct option for this question is A. Now moving on to the next question. Friends, this question can be debated, but according to me, the major source for fecal contamination in water is domestic effluent. So I will go with A. I suggest you confirm it, but the according to me it should be a domestic effluent A. So option is A. Now a dash 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 is used to show exact value. So if you see option A, it is pie chart which is proportional, like you have 360-degree pie chart, and C bar diagram is also proportional, and D dot plot also are proportional. So the only thing that remains is a table is used for the exact value. So option B is correct. Now moving on to the next question. Here see, they have asked us to match list 1 with list 2. So friends, I have not read all the options. You just go, if you are living in India, everybody knows that Jagannath, Lord Jagannath, which is from Puri Jagannath. We also called it Puri Jagannath. So the Jagannath Sanskrit University, if that comes, it should in your mind it should click it is from Puri. So I will see for why, what is where, if there is anywhere 3. So it is there at only at 3. 3 is there only for option D. There is no other option. So I will not look for the other options also. So the correct answer for this should be D. That is Puri Jagannath Sanskrit University. Okay friends, I hope this you have wrote correctly. Now moving on to the next question. Socio-economical impact due to construction of multi-purpose dams in valleys is mainly concerned for. Now you see, it is most simplest, because see, they have asked samajik, socio and economic impact. So see, though if you construct a dam, there is a possibility of earthquake and all, but most probable answer for this will be project affected people. So the option is D. Okay, now friends, this was it in this series. As I have told you before, if you like this, please subscribe, and if you want any of the question from that question paper to be solved, you please comment in the comment box. I'll be solving it there itself. Okay friends, fine, thank you.